So we're excited actually about 2017. It's nice to see an uptick in the economy as it impacts our customers, certainly as a banking industry. One of the recent awards that the industry received was from MoneyRate.com, who indicated that Iowa is actually the top state to bank in the country. And really that's based on a number of factors. In Iowa, we have a number of financial institutions of various sizes, so consumer choice is prevalent here. In addition, we've had a very stable banking environment, even through the financial crisis in our state. And we have a very competitive environment when it comes to rates and service for the consumer. The other thing is, in industry, obviously we're adapting to consumer needs. The millennials, the younger generation, typically likes to receive their financial services through mobile devices and online. At the same time, in Iowa, we still have a good segment of the population that prefers to receive financial services through the branch and have that more personalized relationship banking. And relationship banking is really what Iowa banks are exceptional at. As an industry, we, in addition to providing outstanding service to our customers, and our focus is on being a trustworthy provider of services to them, there are some things from a legislative standpoint that we would like to see happen as we move forward in 2017. First of all, from a regulatory standpoint, post Dodd-Frank or post financial crisis, we had about 20,000 new pages of regulation that applied really across the board to the industry. That needs to be tailored. It needs to be done in such a way that smaller financial institutions can continue to service their community without the red tape that is required, that oftentimes provides no significant benefit to their customers in any way. So we need smarter regulation, and we think there's an opportunity to move forward on that. The pendulum, the regulatory pendulum for businesses and banks has gone too far. We need to be in a lending mode. We need to contribute to economic growth, and we need to build jobs in Iowa for Iowans as we move forward. The other thing is, we think it does make sense to look at the tax system in our state and nationally, to broaden the base, possibly reduce rates. You can do that and still collect the same amount of taxes, but create a system that is less complex and fairer for Iowans and Iowa businesses. And so it'll be interesting to see how the legislature moves forward on that key issue. The other thing that we're obviously keeping an eye on is the ag economy. Iowa has more ag banks than any other state in the country. So our relationship with our farm customers is going to get our attention during the year ahead. Obviously 2016 turned out to be a little better than we anticipated, with the yields being very strong in most areas across the state. But it's not without challenges, and it's important for us as financial providers in the state to work closely with our farm customers to make sure they're making the right decisions on their operations moving forward. So that's kind of a summary of the Iowa banking industry at this point in time.